So we got a tornado warning here. A lot of debris flying around outside. Very windy. Very windy. Holy crap! Look outside. The big branch just fell off the... Look! Right in front of Gumby's house. Holy crap. Did you see that? It just flew off. I just caught that.
I'm waiting for something to fall on my car. It's only a matter of time.
Well, there's no trees around it.
It doesn't matter. Something will happen. With my luck with this car so far.
There's another big branch that just went down over there.
Oh, wow. Is the guy with his dog out there?
Uh-huh. And there's the rain. And now there's torrential rain. Holy crap, it even blew down his fence.
What?
It blew down Gumby's fence over there.
Why did you catch some more stuff? Wow, look at that. We are.
We are. He's lucky his house didn't get hit.
We are! Bright sunshine an hour ago. I got another estimate. That one was $650. He said, like, pretty much what the guy said every other Jew was going to say. Oh, just do the fender, don't worry about anything else. He said
what about the the door?
The door? Yeah, he said it just touched up the thing of the door. That made...
Yeah, for now.